Hey friends, welcome to my channel. This is Dot, and I am super excited to see you again. And those of you who are new, I'm even more excited that you just stopped by for whatever reason you did. And I hope that you see or hear something that keeps you engaged. Now, listen, I've been watching videos, and lately we all in the handbag community are trying to find ways to either cut down our spending or be smarter with using what we have. This video is a way to still be able to get some of the things you love, but get it at a lower price. I got a steal for you. Stay tuned.
I'm never forsaken, never alone. The God of heaven, call me his own.
So while I'm over 60, this chick has not slowed down. And why is that important? It's because one of the things I do is I do sell pre-owned bags, and most of the pre-owned bags that I do sell are vintage. So they have some age to them, and it's just something that I really love about a well taken care of vintage bag. So that's a different story. That's not what I'm talking about today. But what I'm talking about are just think of the number of bags that you may have purchased, and then you discovered they were either too small, they were too big, the color was not right, the fit was not right, and you wanted to get something from it and you're outside of the return policy. So what happens? You sell the bags on a pre-loved market, you come on YouTube and you try to sell them. But when you do, you are selling bags that are in really good shape. And those of us that are watching the videos, we're buying them. So I'm going to talk to you about one that I got a really good deal on and is in very good shape, because that is a way that we can still get some of the things that we love. They're still in good condition and we're not paying top dollar for it. It's almost like buying a new car. When you buy it and you drive it off the lot, you're paying top dollar. But if you buy that same vehicle with a little bit of mileage on it, you're saving a bit. But it's still a good video. A video is still a good vehicle. So let me talk to you about my recent purchase that I'm super excited about. Young lady on Vakari had this beautiful coach. Now, it didn't come with this chain. This is the chain that I put on. This is in the cream color. This is the coach, and this is the 28. I have this in the ruby, and I also have it in the bluebell. But this, when I saw it, I said, oh, I needed like a neutral color. And the color here was perfect for me. I already know how this bag wears. I know what fits in the bag. And when I saw it, I thought have to have it. On top of that, she also included the Coach Bandit wallet. This is the first time that I even purchased this wallet, and it is quickly becoming one of my favorites. So this bag retails for $295. I was able to get this Coach bag. You can see the cream color there. And this wallet for a total of $165. Now let me show you the wallet. The wallet, I'm going to start with this and then we'll get to the bag itself. It has the open slot, nice leather in the inside. You see the condition of the bag? Has a card slot on the front, and then the wallet in the back has one, two, three slots for cards in the back. So that is pretty simple, this bandit wallet. And the closure is a magnetic snap. Then we all know the Brooklyn. There are multiple videos out there. Let me take this chain off because this did not come with the bag. It came this way. She packaged the bag up very nicely. The hang tag was in place. I mean, there is, if you look at that, the corners look really good. It has just regular wear and tear from the leather, but it is in good shape. And if I show you the interior, I have it stuffed now. So let me just take some of the stuffing out. Looking at the interior of the bag, look how clean that is. This bag is very clean, and the pockets here. So one of the keys that I use when I'm purchasing a nearly new, fairly used bag is I actually look at the profile of the person. Now, if they are one that sells a lot of items, and these are just really like resellers, and they're just trying to get the best price, which okay, that's the business you're in, and that's fine. I'm not going to knock that. But when I'm looking at sellers that they have things such as I may have overbought. I need to sell some things. It just didn't work for me. These are honest sellers. And you can tell from the things that they already have sold. They appear not to have overpriced their items. And many times they are open to negotiations. So Macari is one site that I frequent quite often where I'm able to find some really good deals. Sometimes I don't, but most of the time I am finding great deals on there. So I will say if there's a bag that you really truly love and you're okay with it having a little bit of mileage to it and it's in excellent condition, I would say try one of the reseller sites. Ask all the questions up front that you need to ask, and then take the plunge. Because I am happy. I'm happy with my neutral bag. I wasn't even expecting this bandit wallet, but I have for less than the price of the retail. I have both the bandit, and this retails for $95. So retail $295, retail $95, but I got them both for $165, I believe it was. So let's see if you have found any good deals. I would love to see those, and let's just share what kind of deals that you're finding, any bags that you may want to get rid of and can part with. But this is one of the ways that we can stay in the game. Hey, I'm signing off. If it's something that you like, please like, comment, engage. If there's anything you would like to see, post it down in the description box. You can see some more of my videos, watch some of my playlists. They're all in the description box. And I'll see you next time. This is Dot with Mrs. DLC.